guess what? We found a jet ski hidden in the woods. We're gonna attempt to get it out. We'll show you in a second. It's pretty dense in there. So we got chainsaws and all that fun stuff. We gotta figure it all out. Chances we can rebuild it?
Looking at it, 4%.
Yeah, it's not very good. Not very good odds. All right, let's get to it. Can y'all see the jet ski in there? Just a little bit of teal right there. We're gonna attempt to cut all of this out today. Jamie's over here hiding in the woods. Can you spot her?
Jamie with power tools.
I guess let's see how it goes.
I didn't know natural habitat for jet skis was wooded areas, but
this is where I park my jet ski every winter. And every spring I come back. Yeah, we just parked that last week and things grow. We had a lot of rain. I don't know. Let's see. Okay. I don't know why more people don't keep their jet skis in the woods. No one comes to steal them if you got it this hard to find. I'm very allergic to poison ivy, so this isn't fun. It's all for you, YouTube. All right, why are we... There's a game trail right here. The raccoons probably been coming and sitting on our jet ski, dreaming they were at the beach. Losers. You gotta take it out of the woods before you can do that. I love this tool. It looks even better in the sunlight. All right, we came out here last night to verify that there was a jet ski here. We thought we saw it on the drone. Came back here, it is here. It is a Sea-Doo Bombarder XP. Have no clue what that means right now, but we're gonna find out. The tree happened to fall on it. If a tree falls on a jet ski, does it really hit it? That's the question. Let me see that real quick. I know all y'all are home are thinking, oh, they planted this in the woods. Nah, no, not really. But we will get it out of here. Look at that. What's inside? Okay. I don't think they're going to allow us to use that fire extinguisher. That's going to cost about $5.
Costs already adding up.
Look at this little guy growing around it. We're gonna have to cut this tree out of here.
Yep.
All right, you hold this. I'm gonna try to move this. Here, just set it down.
You got gloves on?
Do. That sucks. Maybe we can just like wedge it in the tree and it's out of the way. You good?
Yeah, so.
Oh, that tree branch did?
Yep. Not because I touched anything either.
Watch your head, okay?
Oh, you literally meant watch my head.
Yeah, there's a tree here. Yeah! This might be the coolest thing we've ever done. Holy cow, Jamie. Take a peek at this. It looked like that about 5 minutes ago. Now we have a physical walking trail. Well, we're missing some stuff.
Yeah.
Like a motor. We in the Amazon rainforest?
That's what it feels like, doesn't it?
Sure does.
I did a good job of clearing that, babe.
You cleared the whole thing.
I'm actually very impressed with myself.
It's good because you're not allergic to poison ivy.
You could say anything to clear the way out every time.
I think I just sneezed on the microphone. Because this will, oh.
Yum.
I wonder why I sneeze all the time. Hey, wind, why are you blowing so hard? On we go. This might take a while.
Don't worry. What is that song?
Huh?
What is that song? That Don't Worry song?
The what song?
The Don't Worry song.
Be happy, don't worry.
You're so good at whistling.
Thank you. I took lessons as a child.
You want to hear mine?
Sure. Are you making noise? I can't tell. Okay. I don't know how we're gonna get this on the trailer.